So now you must have understood how igneous rocks are formed. Okay, see, they are formed from magma, the hot molten material which is found deep inside the earth, and the intense pressure inside the earth, it pushes the magma towards the surface of the earth, as you can see in this diagram. Now this magma cools just below the earth's surface, like here you can see. Yes, and it then hardens to form igneous rocks, and these are the first rocks to form on the earth. Igneous rocks were the first rocks to form on the earth, and this happens because of the volcanic eruptions. So we can also say that volcanic eruptions lead to the formation of igneous rocks. Okay, now when volcanoes erupt, they throw out magma. Yes, now when this magma reaches the surface of the earth, it is called as lava. And this lava, when it cools and it hardens, they form igneous rocks. Now we have 4 varieties of igneous rocks, as I've already told you. The first one is basalt. What is it called as? Basalt. Now I have an example of basalt with me. Can you see this stone? Can you see this? This is basically a typical example of a basalt stone, a rock. Okay, these are the common stones which are found in our vicinity. Yes, can you see this? Yes, these are basalt. Now they are an example of igneous rocks formed by lava cooling on earth's surface. Yes, it is dense and dark and has fine grains. Okay, if you scratch it, although you may not be able to take out the grains, but it is hard, it is dense, and it is dark in color. Okay, now what are more qualities of basalt? See, it is hard, it is dark, it is formed when lava flows from volcano. Okay, and from cracks in the earth's surface, and then it hardens. The edges of this rock are very sharp. Can you see these edges are very sharp? Can you see these edges? They are very sharp. Now basalt is actually dark in color because of the minerals present in it. Okay, the minerals, they are present in high content, and it has lot of iron and magnesium in it. Yes, it has lot of iron and magnesium, so that is why it is very hard and dark in color. Now basalt is basically used in the constructions of buildings. Okay, these are used in the construction of buildings. They are made up of most of the oceanic crust of the earth. They make up the oceanic crust of the earth, and it is made up of minerals like feldspar and pyroxene. Okay, pyroxene. Feldspar and pyroxene. So now you must have understood how does a basalt look like and what are the uses of basalt. Now granite. Can you see this? Granite. Yes. Okay. Now, yes, can you see this? Now what is granite? Granite is formed when magma cools below the surface of the earth. Granite is formed when magma cools below the surface of the earth. Now it has larger grains. Okay, it has larger grains than basalt and is generally in light color. Okay, it contains 3 main minerals. Okay, they are either pink colored feldspar or gray colored quartz, and can be black shiny mica. Now granite is pink or gray depending upon the amount of feldspar in it. Feldspar is a type of mineral. It is very hard and is therefore used in making buildings and statues. Granite is basically used in making buildings and statues. This is also used in paving roads. Okay. Now the next is pumice. Okay. This one is pumice. This stone is called as pumice. This is not very hard. It has lots of ridges in it. Okay, it's have lots of ridges. This is actually a light colored stone formed when lava cools on the earth. This is a light colored stone which is formed when lava cools on the earth's surface. Its peculiarity is that it is made from frothy lava containing lots of dissolved gas. Okay, so when this lava cools, it forms a rock with several holes and pockets in it because of the gas. Now pumice, it is used as a scrubber or to remove rough skin from the body. Some people actually use it as a scrubber to remove the rough skin in the body. Some of you must be having this pumice stone, okay, pumice stone in your home also. Your mother or you yourself must be using it to remove the dead skin from your body. It acts like a scrubber. Okay, now the last one is obsidian. Now I hope you have understood how is pumice made up of. Okay, now the last one is obsidian. See, it is also known as nature's glass because it is glassy. It has glassy appearance. It is produced when lava containing a high amount of silica cools rapidly and solidifies without time for crystal growth. Okay, it solidifies quickly. Now the presence of iron and magnesium typically gives the ostenium a dark green or brownish black color. So lots of iron and magnesium gives it a dark green or a brownish black color. Now in ancient times it was used to make tools. Okay, people used tools to kill animals, to hunt animals. So because of the sharp edges, it has sharp edges, so people used it to make their tools. Now it is used for surgically scalpel blades. Okay, they are used in surgical scalpel blades. Okay, so now you must have understood about types of igneous rocks: basalt, granite, pumice and obsidian. In the next video I am going to explain about sedimentary rocks.